The universe is a vast ocean, and our solar system is just one sunlit island. For centuries, we believed we were alone, gazing at distant stars, dreaming of crossing the space between. That changed when objects like Oumuamua and Borisov drifted into our solar system, proof that the cosmic ocean is full of travelers. Now, on October 8, 2025, we have a new visitor, 3I Atlas. The third confirmed interstellar object, discovered by Hawaii's Atlas system, is on a hyperbolic path, just passing through, not bound by our sun. But unlike its predecessors, 3I Atlas is massive, several kilometers across, dark, and tumbling through space at incredible speed. Scientists prepared to study its composition, expecting the usual cosmic ingredients. But 3I Atlas had a surprise. This wasn't just a silent rock, it was sending a message. As telescopes locked on, astronomers anticipated silicates and ice. Instead, they found something that would change humanity's place in the cosmos. 3. Atlas wasn't just passing through, it was talking. This object became a messenger, uniting every space agency and curious mind on Earth. The cosmic ocean had delivered not just driftwood, but a message in a bottle. The world was about to listen. The story of 3I Atlas was just beginning. Our understanding of the universe was about to be rewritten, and humanity was ready to answer. The discovery began as routine. At Green Bank Telescope, scientists listened for natural radio emissions from 3I Atlas. Hours passed. Then, a faint structured pulse emerged, repeating with mathematical precision. It wasn't random, it was a pattern. The signal was narrowband, focused at 1420 megahertz, the hydrogen line, a frequency long speculated as a universal hailing channel. Equipment checks ruled out interference. The signal tracked perfectly with 3I Atlas's movement. Its complexity stunned the team. A sequence of pulses, repeating every 843 hours, matching the object's rotation. It was as if a cosmic lighthouse was sweeping the solar system, sending out a coded message. News spread quickly, but quietly. Observatories worldwide, parks, FAST, and more, confirmed the signal. It was real, stable, and complex. The world's greatest telescopes were now focused on a single, tumbling visitor. The routine observation had become the most electrifying discovery in science. Humanity was listening to a whisper from the void. The implications were staggering. Was this a natural phenomenon, or something more? The search for answers had begun. The universe had spoken, and Earth was listening. The signal from 3I Atlas was undeniable. The greatest mystery of our time had arrived. When the news broke, the world changed overnight. Space agencies scrambled, united by a single focus, the message from 3I Atlas. Scientists who'd spent lifetimes searching for a sign now faced a structured signal from a visible, trackable object. The discovery became a global phenomenon. 3I Atlas dominated headlines, social media, and dinner table conversations. People everywhere looked up, united by the same question: who or what is out there? For the first time, the cosmos felt personal. We'd always broadcast our signals into space. Now the universe was shouting back from our own cosmic backyard. The proximity made it real, urgent, and humbling. Humanity was no longer just an observer. We were participants in a cosmic conversation. The implications forced a worldwide reevaluation of our place in the universe. Borders and politics faded as curiosity took over. The world was united by wonder and by the need to know. The era of cosmic isolation was over. We were no longer alone in the dark. With the signal confirmed, scientists raced to explain it. The first step: rule out natural causes. Could 3I Atlas be a new kind of cosmic phenomenon, an exotic material, a strange interaction with sunlight, or a magnetic effect never seen before? The signal structure, complex, repeating, information-rich, demanded answers. If natural, it would rewrite physics textbooks and win Nobel Prizes. But the public's imagination leapt to the extraordinary. What if it's artificial? Could it be a probe, a beacon, or a deliberate message from another civilization? Each possibility carried profound implications. Even a natural explanation would be historic. But if artificial, it would mean we are not alone. The weight of that possibility drove scientists to proceed with caution and hope. Before declaring aliens, scientists explored every natural explanation. Could 3I Atlas be a natural maser, emitting focused radio waves as it vented gas? Or perhaps it was a fragment of a magnetar, with extreme magnetic fields generating the signal. Maybe its unique composition, heated by the sun, created a cosmic tuning fork. Yet the signal's complexity, layered, patterned, almost like Morse code, challenged every natural theory. For a natural process to mimic such structure would require extraordinary circumstances. Occam's razor suggested the simplest answer, but nature's creativity kept scientists searching. Still, the possibility of an artificial origin grew harder to ignore. The idea that the signal is artificial is both thrilling and daunting. If 3I Atlas is a probe, it could be a relic of another civilization, a Bracewell probe, designed to explore and communicate. The signal's use of the hydrogen line, its efficiency, and its encoded complexity all point to intelligence. Mathematicians searched for universal constants, prime numbers, pi, hidden in the pulses. If found, it would be a cosmic calling card, a hello in the language of math. Perhaps the probe was triggered by Earth's own radio emissions, waiting silently for eons. The implications are staggering. Who sent it? Are they still out there? 3I Atlas would become the most valuable artifact in human history, a Rosetta Stone for the galaxy. The pressure to understand, and perhaps even intercept it, would be immense. But caution is vital. Responding reveals our presence and technological level. The decision to engage is not just scientific, it's existential. The universe's message has arrived. Now, humanity must decide how to answer. The elephant is in our solar system, and the world is watching. The arrival of 3I Atlas sparked unprecedented global cooperation. Space agencies formed an emergency consortium, sharing data in real time. Scientists worldwide, astronomers, linguists, engineers, joined forces, breaking down barriers. Citizen scientists and amateurs contributed, making it a truly global effort. Old rivalries faded. This was a mission for all humanity. Each agency brought unique strengths: telescopes, spacecraft, supercomputers. The discovery belonged to Earth, not any one nation. The signal from 3I Atlas became a mirror reflecting our best qualities. United by mystery, we faced the unknown together. The next steps would require even greater collaboration, and the world was ready. The order was simple: point everything at 3I Atlas. Telescopes worldwide, from Hubble to James Webb, focused on the visitor, seeking clues to its nature. Radio observatories combined their power, pinpointing the signal's origin with unprecedented precision. Was the signal from the whole object, or a specific point? An antenna. Space agencies raced to plan a mission. Could any probe intercept 3I Atlas before it left the solar system? Engineers worked around the clock, designing a high-speed chaser. Time was short. The object was moving fast, its signal fading. The window for discovery was closing. This was a race against the cosmos itself. The data gathered now could define our future. What comes next? Intense observation and analysis. Scientists will chase every photon and radio wave as 3I Atlas recedes. If the signal is natural, it will revolutionize astrophysics. If artificial, humanity stands at a crossroads. Decoding the message becomes our greatest challenge. The contents could change our civilization forever. An intercept mission would become a global priority. Regardless of the answer, 3I Atlas has already changed us. It shattered our cosmic isolation and united us in wonder. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is now central to science. The story of 3I Atlas is just beginning. We may find answers, or even deeper mysteries. The universe has delivered a gift to our doorstep, and we are all witnesses to the next chapter of the human story.